Hi friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel 22 Yards. If you like the content of this channel, then do not forget to press the subscribe button. दोस्तों आज मैं आपसे बात करूंगा इंडिया और श्रीलंका की टेस्ट रिकॉर्ड की अगेंस्ट ईच अदर। इंडिया और श्रीलंका करीब 40 साल से एक दूसरे के साथ क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं और ये बहुत सेलिब्रेटेड या बहुत लव्ड सीरीज नहीं है। इसका एक कारण ये भी हो सकता है कि 1990s और 2000s के अंदर हमने एक दूसरे को इतना खेला कि उस सीरीज का चार्म या उसकी अट्रैक्शन बिल्कुल ही खत्म हो गई। Even so, I would like to draw your attention to this series because there are a couple of very astonishing facts that I would like to highlight to you. India and Sri Lanka have played a total of 46 test matches against each other. India has won 22, Sri Lanka has won 7 and 17 were drawn. Yes, we used to play a lot of dull and boring test matches in the 80s and 90s between the two countries because none wanted to lose at home. So the pitches were often quite dead. Even so, there are two facts that I would like to draw your attention to. I, while doing the research for this video, found them completely curious. The first being that Sri Lanka actually played its first test match against India in 1981-82 and secured an honorable draw. That match was played in India. Then India under Kapil Dev visited Sri Lanka in 1985 and played a 3-test series. Do you realize, friends, that India was actually beaten by Sri Lanka in a test series before we won a test series against Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka defeated India 1-0. They won the second test match and Ramesh Ratnaike skied through the Indian batting lineup, taking 9 wickets in that test. I found that to be quite surprising. It was not like India had sent their B lineup to Sri Lanka in 1985. It was practically the same star-studded lineup that had won the 1985 World Series Cup. It must have been a really embarrassing defeat for Indian cricket, since Indian cricket had made its debut in 1932 against England, whereas Sri Lanka had only played their first test match in 1982 against India. So we had a 50-year head start over Sri Lanka in test cricket. The second interesting thing that I would like to draw your attention to is that Sri Lanka has played 24 test matches in India, and they have actually never won a test match in India. India would be the only country besides Australia where they have never won a test match. I find that completely mind-boggling. I can understand Sri Lanka's record in Australia because the conditions are completely different and Australia at all times has been a very strong test side. However, it baffles me that why the proud islanders have failed to win a test series or a test match or even a test match in India. It is not like Sri Lanka has not won outside Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka has the proud record of beating South Africa in South Africa 2-0, which no other South Asian nation has ever done. They have won test matches in England, they have won test matches in Pakistan, in UAE, in New Zealand, in West Indies. So Sri Lankans are a formidable side and they have had a cavalcade of great cricketers. Right from the time they came first to India with Dilip Mendes, Roy Dias, Asantha Demel, they have had wonderful cricketers. They had the indomitable spirit of the captain Ranatunga, the famed brilliance of Arvind De Silva, the class of Kumar Sangakkara, the touch play of Mahela Jayawardene. They had brilliant spin bowlers in Herat and Muralidharan, really good left-arm fast bowler in Chaminda Vas. So it completely leaves me flummoxed that why they have been unable to win even one test match in India. This must be a mental thing. It must be a psychological thing. Otherwise, really, there is no explanation for this to have happened. You can easily make a case today that Rangana Herat and Muralidharan were actually the best spin duo ever to have played the game. You look at Anil Kumble and Harbhajan Singh, and you look at Ravichandran Ashwin and Ravinder Jadeja. I would argue that Muralidharan and Herat were better even than these two. Over and above, they have had some wonderful batsmen of whom I had already talked earlier. I am sure in the future India will fight to keep this record going, as well as Sri Lanka would definitely want to correct this blemish in an otherwise very proud test record. This is Anant Gupta signing off for 22 Yards. See you soon. All the best.